Got my camera set up somewhere where it's ball now. You can see it's a good straight tractor. It operates good. Transmission's not too noisy like a lot of them are, and it's got the front weights, the back weights. I'll sell it without either if you want it that way or whatever. Somebody put a little Bondo on the grill at one point. It's really not all that bad shape, but that one needs to be smoothed off. It's got 12 ohm conversion. Got the marble part. It don't have any cracks that I can see anywhere on the block. We'll look at one I added there. New battery. The charge is good. Lights work. And the back lights would if I just hooked them up. I just hadn't had a chance. The only weld I see on the tractor, somebody reinforced that right there. Which that could be fixed pretty easy if you want that on there. But I don't see anybody gonna notice it if you unless you just get to staring at it real hard. It's a good running little tractor. They got real good oil pressure. And that's it. That's the Farmall 8.